And still in Lagos, the government has signed a letter of intent with a company from the Netherlands for the establishment of a smelter plant for electronic waste. Speaking during the signing program, Commissioner for Environment and Water Resources, Tokunbo Wahab, said when the smelter plant comes on stream, it will create new jobs and also create a new economy through conversion of e-waste into valuable products. On his part, a Netherlands Consul General in Nigeria, Mr. Michel Deleen, emphasized that the government is set to collaborate with Lagos to turn waste into value.
Now it's basically about recycling and turning waste into value. As I said, we do so many things with your ministry now that the waste to energy that was signed. Now we talk about waste to value, extracting valuable precious materials from electronic waste that would otherwise either be thrown away or would be exported.
Before now, what happens to our electronic waste? We put them together, ship them out, they convert them to value, bring them into sell for us. We get nothing out of them. But now they're going to set up an industry for that purpose in Nigeria, in Lagos. That will generate employment. That will generate resources for our people too.
2,984 persons have benefited directly from agricultural programs in Akwa Ibom State under Governor Eno's administration. Commissioner for Information and Strategy revealed this while addressing journalists after the State Executive Council meeting. Daniels reports.
This was the first Executive Council meeting in the second year of Governor Umoino's administration. The meeting had reports of the administration's performance across various sectors of the state's economy. Addressing journalists after the meeting, Commissioner for Information and Strategy disclosed that 16,522 patients benefited from free medical health care sponsored by the state government. 48,797 students have benefited from the payment of 2023-2024 SSCE fees, while 4,603 people have benefited from the different entrepreneurship schemes of the state government.
229.411 kilometers of roads with footing bridges and 3 underground drainage discharge systems have been constructed in the past 1 year. 37.7 kilometers of roads, feeder roads, have been constructed in rural areas and communities around the state. 3,583 retirees, both from the state and local government services, have received their retirement benefits to the tune of 18.234 billion as at May 2024.
The state medium-term expenditure framework was presented by the Commissioner for Economic Development for the year 2025 to 2027. This is expected to serve as a guide for the budget for the next 2 years.
This framework is expected to become the economic blueprint and fulcrum for budgets from 2025 to 2027. We also undertook a projection analysis for 2024-2025 on the basis of the project's infrastructure programs that will be undertaken by the administration. It was exhaustively deliberated, and the Ministry of Finance and Economic Development were asked to take note, as this would form the foundation of our budget for 2025.
According to the report, Governor Eno wants speedy and quality delivery of tasks assigned to every EXCO member, while emphasizing the intentional application of safety. Miriam Daniels, TVC News, Akwa Ibom State.